Good afternoon, students. In this class, we are going to discuss about chemistry in everyday life. Importance of chemistry. We see the importance of chemistry in this life. Chemistry is a central science. It touches all aspects of our life, like food, cleaners, energy, drugs, metals, textiles, remediations, cosmetics, paper, health. Our life, chemistry plays an important role in all our aspects of our life. Mm, Food. We see in the next slide more and more about the chemistry. Chemistry not only plays important role in the food. Say anything before we see. Uh, in this slide, chemistry plays an uh, vital role in agricultural science, atmospheric science, chemical engineering, environment, solid state physics, forensic science, biochemistry, medicine. Agriculture means what? Agricultural, certain fertilizers, anything, atmospheric science, pollutions, remedials, anything, chemical engineering, environment. Forensic science is totally based on the chemistry. Forensic science is used to certain chemicals to find out the criminal incidents. Biochemistry is medicine. Medicine, we also eat drugs. And drugs, we have fever, we take a lot of medicines or anything, we have problem, cancer and anything. We eat chemicals. Chemicals made up of drug. Chemistry in everyday life. Explosive, fuels, rocket propellants and building and electronic materials, etc. All are chemistry. Chemistry influenced our life so much that we do not even realize that we come across chemicals at every moment, that we ourselves are beautiful chemical reactions, and all our activities are controlled by chemicals. Chemistry is a big part of our everyday life. You find chemistry in everyday life, the heat, the air you breathe, your soap, and your emotions, literally every object you can see and touch. Chemicals of food in everyday life. Uh, Coloring agents, artificial preservatives. Coloring agents means we prepare kesari and anything. We add some colors, red color powder, kesari. We add red color coloring powder. Anything. That is the coloring agents. Artificial preservatives, flow stabilizers, binding substance, artificial sweeteners, antioxidants, minerals, vitamins. Artificial preservatives means these prevent spoilage of food by stopping the growth of microorganisms. For example, sodium benzoate, sodium metabisulfate. Artificial sweeteners. These do not impart any calories to the body since these substances are excreted through urine. For example, aspartame, it is used in cool drinks and ice creams. Allicin, it is 2000 times sweeter than sucrose. Antioxidants. This prevent the spoilage of food by preventing the oxidation of food. For example, butylated hydroxyl tolerance, it is called as BHT. Butylated hydroxyl anisole, it is called as BHA. Food colors. Dyes are colored organic compounds that are used to impart colors to the various substrate, including paper, leather, fur, hair, drugs, cosmetics. Dyes are classified into natural dyes and synthetic dyes. Chemistry of cleansing agents in everyday life. Soaps are sodium or potassium salt of higher carboxylic acid, such as stearic acid, palmitic acid, and oleic acid, whereas detergents contain a long chain of alkyl groups. Detergents, in comparison to soaps, can also function in hot water. Saponification. Alkaline hydrolysis of triesters of glycerol to form soap is known as saponification. Soaps do not function in hot water since they precipitate in it. How do soap works? Soaps are generally sodium or potassium salts of long chain fatty acids. Soap molecules have a hydrophobic as well as hydrophilic part. While the hydrophilic part clings to the water when washing, the hydrophobic end clings to the dirt particles. Thus, when we pour away the water, the dirt particles wash away with the soap molecules. Types of soaps. Toilet soaps. Potassium soaps. Toilet soaps are called potassium soaps. These are softer than sodium soaps. Floating soaps, these can be prepared by beating soap bubbles. Transparent soaps. This contains soap dissolved in excess of alcohol and it's evaporated. Medicated soaps. This contains soaps by adding little amount of Dettol, Savlon, etc. Laundry soaps mainly contain sodium brosinate borax. Types of detergents. These type of detergents classified into two types: anionic detergents and cationic detergents, and non-ionic detergents. Anionic detergents, in this anionic act as a detergent. Um, for example, sodium lauryl sulfate. In cationic detergent, in this type, cations acts as a detergent. For example, cetyl trimethyl ammonium bromide. Non-ionic detergents. These are neutral. The whole molecule acts as a detergent. For example, polyethylene glycol stearate. We can see in this structure. Chemistry of cosmetics in every. We also put some cosmetics every day of our life. It is necessary to wear in this world, such as emulsifier. This increases the stability of the emulsion. For example, potassium cetyl sulfate. Preservatives. These are added to cosmetics to increase their shelf life. For example, benzyl alcohol salicylic acid. Thickeners is given an appealing consistency. For example, cetyl alcohol stearic acid. Emollient. These soften the skin by preventing water loss. For example, glycerin, zinc oxide. Glimmers and shiners. For example, mica, bismuth, oxychloride. The expiration date on bottled drinking water. We see, we can buy some water bottle on the outside of the shop. On that bottle, we suddenly see that water bottle expiry date. It is necessary to see this bottle. Have you ever wondered why there is an expiration date on a bottle of drinking water? After all, it is just water, is it not it? Well, most of us have not even noticed that there is, in fact, an expiration date on that bottle. The idea behind instilling an expiration on bottle drinking water is to standardize the packaging quality of it. What the actual expiration date signifies is if the expiration date is up, the taste of the water will be different, as there is a chance of the chemicals in the packaging material ruining the quality of water. Elements in the human body. We all know our human body is about 60% water, but then what composes the rest of it? Carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, and oxygen. These elements compose 96% of the human body, whereas the rest 4% is composed of about 60 elements. Some of these elements include calcium, phosphorus, potassium, and sulfur. You can see in this slide, chemistry plays a vital role in our human body, such as elements oxygen, carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, calcium, phosphorus, potassium, sulfur, sodium, chloride, magnesium. How chemistry is used in medicine. Chemistry contributes to the preparation and use of materials for surgery, such as artificial skin, sterile materials. It is used in many surgeries today, do not have to be removed because they simply dissolve in the body after a period of time. Conclusion. Chemistry is one of the most important branches of modern science, which deals with the chemical circumstances of different substances, importance of chemistry. Chemistry is very important and mandatorily necessary in our modern lifestyle for an efficient living. Chemistry will help us solve many future problems, including sustainable energy and food production, managing our environment, providing safe drinking water, and promoting human and environmental health. Thank you.